Evaluation, chapter number 4, evaluation. Okay, I want yes, the concept of evaluation. Evaluation means growth. Okay, evaluation means gradual and continuous change. What is the meaning of evaluation? Evaluation means a gradual, means slowly, and continuous change. Okay, in the process of survival, the animals adapt to the environmental changes. Okay, in the process of survival means जिस प्रोसेस ये सर्वाइवल का प्रोसेस है कि हम स्मॉल से बिग होते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ सर्वाइवल. The animals adapt the environmental change. Okay, who animals and birds especially, and even the human beings also, what they do, they adapt the environmental changes. Environmental changes means anytime the rain is coming, anytime the summer season is coming, so this is we are adapting it. Okay, these are the environmental changes which we are adapting. Okay, this results in external physical change which are inherited, means which are natural. Okay, these things, ये जो physical changes हो रहे हैं environment में, these are natural, these are not the man-made. Okay, so these are natural by the subsequent generations, and it is keep on coming, these are being following by the other coming generations. ठीक है, ये आने वाली generations भी follow कर रही है, right? Same environment. So a new species means a living things. Okay, with the characteristics different from the original species. Now see, here I would like to give you one example of an human being. How your grandparents are there, are you the same? No, right? They were in the their generation, we are the new generation. Okay, it is new species with the characteristics. Your things will be different, their things will be different, their activities will be different. Okay, so this is the characteristics which with which we can differentiate with the new one and the old one. Okay, similar with the plants, with the animals also. Okay, जो पेड़ पुराने होते हैं और जो पेड़ अभी जस्ट ग्रो हो रहे हैं, उनमें डिफरेंसेस है, देयर इज अ चेंजेस. ओके, तो जो स्पेशली स्पीशीज जो अपीयर है, ओके, वो अभी अपीयर है, बट एट द सर्टेन टाइम they will get disappear or they will become and dead out, means they will leave. Okay, the new species are more involved than the original species. जो new species है वो original species से ज्यादा involved है. Clear to all of you all till here? The original species become extinct, means dead out sometimes. एक time के बाद they never remains in the environment. Okay, who will remain? The new ones. Old ones will go, they will dead out, they will be out of the environment. Okay, for example, here I would like to give about a plant. Okay, a plant slowly grows, that is a new species for you. Okay, but the tree, it converts into a tree. So what happens with the tree? One day the tree becomes old and it gets off, right? उसको हम लोग काट देते हैं या वो डेड आउट हो जाता है. Is it clear? Then we'll move on to the next. Sometimes more than one species involved out of the original species. Sometimes one species involved out of the original species. For example, here I'll give of the fish. fish are many. In an ocean, fishes are many. Okay, but we have described it. Ki this is the whale. This is shark. This is how we have divided it. Okay, because of one species, because of one character. Okay. Charles Darwin gave a systematic explanation of evaluation. Who gave the systematic explanation? एक proper explanation जो होना चाहिए. Who gave it? Charles Darwin. Okay. Charles Darwin started that. He has started to describe it. एक systematic तरीका होना चाहिए, right? Species which are capable of adapting to the environmental changes survive. जो species environmental जो change होता है, okay, उसको adapt कर ले. Environmental changes I told you, summer season, rainy season, any other seasons, okay, involving the storms coming, whatever is happening around our environment. तो उसको जो अपना लेते हैं species, they can survive. वो रह सकते हैं. और जो नहीं अडेप्ट कर पाते हैं, the species which are unable to adapt become extinct, means they becomes dead out. जो नहीं अडेप्ट कर पाते हैं वो क्या हो जाते हैं? dead out बन जाते हैं. means slowly and gradually they get disappear or they died. Okay. Now here dinos. Dinos in the Greek means tribal. Dinosaurs is same. Okay, children, do not get confused about what is now dinos. Okay. Dinosaurus. Okay. Dinosaur. Yes. Dinosaurs is a Greek meaning of tribal. डायनोस का ग्रीक में मीनिंग क्या दिया है? ट्राइबल. ट्राइबल क्या होता है? पुराने. ओके. एंड सॉरस मीन्स लिजार्ड. ओके. so the full meaning will be the dinosaurs means tribal lizard. पहले के लोग उसको क्या बुलाते थे? ट्राइबल लिजार्ड. ओके. Dinosaurs an enormous animal. It's an animal which is special one, right? It's different from the other animals, right? Become extinct. वो खत्म हो गए due to some natural disaster. Okay, कुछ natural disasters की वजह से वो खत्म हो गए. क्योंकि वो अभी हैं. Are they present this time? No, they are not present this time because of the natural disaster, or maybe something would have happened. उसकी वजह से what happened? They have extinct. Okay, due to some natural disaster or environmental change. Environmental change means similar thing. Because of due to they would have not accepted the environmental changes. उनको वो नहीं अच्छा हो लगा होगा ज्यादा बारिश होना. ओके. या ज्यादा गर्मी रहना. दिस इज द एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस. उनको नहीं पसंद आया होगा तो they must have died. So that is why they are not there. So that they have some natural disaster or environmental changes. Some species of dinosaurs. Now here also we have find it out. Some species of dinosaurs with the 2 wings. Okay. Involved into the birds. उनको भी क्या बोल देते हैं? birds बोलते हैं. Okay. उनको भी डिस्क्राइब हमने किसमें कर दिया था? एंशियंट लोगों ने कि डायनासोर्स को विंग्स है तो दे कैन कॉल्ड एज एन बर्ड्स. तो डायनास बर्ड्स हो गए. ओके. क्योंकि ट्राइबल टाइम में दे वर नॉट कंफर्म, नो. सो हाउ दे विल डिवाइड whether it's an animal or a bird? So they find it out, then they got a bird. उनके पास 2 wings दिखे तो they have converted into a birds. Okay. So here I have shown you this picture that man is slowly and gradually changing. Okay, he is accepting the environmental change, and that is why he has changed. This is what called evolution. Okay, and in the next chapter you will we will study about this only, the the evolution of mankind. Okay, how man has been changed. Okay, so I would like to ask how much you have understood. Yes, now we'll start with the stages of evaluation of animals. Now multicellular organisms gradually, now again this word come gradually. Gradually means slowly. Multicellular organisms gradually involved, and thereby a number of species of plants and animals came into being. Okay, the multicellular organisms, all these plants, animals, this comes under multicellular organisms. They are slowly involved. Okay, and the number of species are there. I told you species meaning, right, of plants and animals. Okay, बहुत सारे animals में when we search one animal, okay, the that is the species. We have many species like this, plants, animals, both. Okay, so they came into beginning. Now the stages in evaluation in animals are, now we'll see about the animals. There are the stages in the animals. Okay, first one is invertebrates. Invertebrates, animals without backbone such as snail, snake, etc. are coming under the invertebrates. In the picture you can see I have shown a spider is coming in an invertebrates. Even a earthworm comes in a invertebrate. Snails, the animals which is not having the backbone, they comes under the invertebrates. Okay, now this is the stages of the animals. Okay, now the vertebrates. What is vertebrates? Animals with backbones. Okay, animal जिनको backbone है. These evolved into aquatic. They can remain in aquatic. Amphibians, उनको नाम दिया है aquatic. Why aquatic? वो भी देखेंगे. Amphibians, birds, reptiles and mammals. Okay, the aquatic animals live in water. This is, you all know, they live in water. So that is why their characteristics is they are aquatic animals, because they lives in water. They can survive in water. For example is fish. Many are there. Turtle. This is tortoise. This is the examples of which you have to depend on water. The amphibians live in water also and land also. On land. Okay, the amphibians live in water and on the land. For example is crocodile. It is in on land or it's on water also. Such examples, many examples are there about the animals. Next is reptiles are the animals that crawl. Okay, reptiles, what are the animals? They can crawl. Crawl means how a baby crawl. Okay, means they can walk. They are called as an reptiles. For example, here many are there. Dog, cat nearby us. Okay, now here also the dog, cats, these are why these are called as domestic animals. This is also the characteristics of the animals, right? Similarly, we are having the plants also. जिसको इंडोर एंड आउटडोर प्लांट्स बोलते हैं. इंडोर मीन्स जिसको हम लोग अपने घर में ग्रो कर सकते हैं. आउटडोर मीन्स जिसको हम लोग को बाहर ही लगाना पड़ेगा. So ये सब चीजें कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में आती है of the species. Okay,